Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 7th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website if you'd like access to my trade signals, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 35 video trading course. So anyways, on the monthly euro dollar, we did have a very strong move to the downside towards the end of last week. And I do definitely have two possibilities for this. Like I've been forecasting for a long time, I still think it's very possible that this could go up and make either a running flat or an expanding flat. Or the second possibility is that this first move down is a wave A, and this is 1, 2, 3 waves up for a wave B, and we're now going down for a wave C before we really do end up continuing back up. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely did have a pretty nice breaker structure to the downside. It does look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. So if this move right here is actually not a wave C, but this is a wave A, and this is 1, 2, 3 waves up for wave B, then that means that we potentially could be going down for a wave C. Now, this is not 100% for sure confirmed. I mean, we still could end up continuing the uptrend like I've been forecasting, but I always like to keep multiple analysis in my back pocket. So going down to the daily time frame, we definitely do have a breaker structure to the downside on the daily. So I definitely am looking for shorts on shorter time frames. I would assume that this first move down right here is either a wave A or a wave 1. The trading strategy is exactly the same for a wave A or a wave 1. So at this point in the pattern, it is definitely not important to know the difference between a wave A or a wave 1. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, to me it looks like a wave 1, a wave 2, and this is a big old wave 3. There's no breaker structure, there's no higher low, so we can't even say that the wave 3 is over. I mean, this easily could keep on going down. Still all part of a wave 3. Eventually it will have to make a wave 4 and a wave 5, but until the wave 3 breaks, it's still most likely in a wave 3, and I would still be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, until we get a breaker structure someplace between the 1 and 4 hour time frame, something like this, that tells me that we're still in a wave 3. And if we're still in a wave 3 and we do not see this picture right here, then we definitely want to continue to look for shorts. This easily could continue to make lower lows, lower highs, and still all be part of a wave 3 of A or a wave 3 of wave 1. When it finally does break structure to the upside, that means that the wave 3 is over and that we're in a wave 4 of A or 1. But until that break happens, I would not really worry about it. I would just continue to look for shorts at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.